Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to send money from the USA to the Philippines using GCash. So let's get started. So here's the deal. You can send money to GCash from the US, but you'll need to use a third-party service to make this happen. And one of the most popular and reliable platforms for this is Wise. So here's what we need to do. First things first, you want to go to their website, Wise website or app, and create an account. Once you're signed in, you want to go and choose a send from the home page. Then from here, you want to change this to USD since we're sending from US. Then the recipient gets PHP since we're sending this to GCash. So for example, we are sending $100. And then from here, you can change this to any method that is currently connected to your account. So it could be debit card, credit card, wire transfer, or international transfer, whatever that is currently on your account. So once you're satisfied with this, just go ahead and click Add Recipient. Then from here, you want to choose e-wallet, this second option. And then you want to choose someone else as your recipient. Then you're gonna need to enter their account details. So who's the one reserving the money, wallet provider. Here's where you need to choose GCash. As you can see here from the drop down, choose GCash. Recipient's e-wallet number, that's their phone number that is attached to their GCash. Then enter their country, city, recipient address, postcode. And then once you're satisfied with this, just go ahead and continue for you to be able to review all before paying. And basically, that's it. The money will be converted automatically and sent straight to your recipient's GCash wallet, usually within minutes or a few hours, depending on the method. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!